This is from 9/11. Apologize for the delay here, guys. But we finally got it closed. Fridays and Sunday nights. This one we ran on a random Monday. Not a random Monday, it was 9/11, but we usually don't do them on Mondays. It did not go too well, I guess. Area Seahawks, Chris, Cardinals, Ravens, Jags, Corey, Raiders, Chargers, Eagles, Niners. Jason Cross, Boys, Labor, Lions, Saints, Steelers. Nate, Bengals. Browns, Bears. Ry GY, Falcons, Bills, Panthers. Browns, Broncos, Packers, Texans, Colts. Chiefs, Rams, Dolphins, Vikings, Jets, Bucks, Titans, Redskins, Skyler with the Patriots. Alright. Let's get it on. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Close up. Seal it up. Alright, guys. Good luck. Alright, it's a Trey Lance salute to service for the Niners. Trey Lance. W121180 to the Niners. Niners. Corey. Bill Belichick. Alright, Corey. There you go. We closed it out. 5 left in the 16 by 20. 6 left in the 16 by 20 photo. Trey Lance going to Corey. Congrats on the Trey Lance. Salute to service, man. Appreciate it. Thank you.